These are the Adidas Sambas with the calf hair, cow print, and extended tongue. Instead of a traditional unboxing, I wanted to look at them from more of a styling perspective. But first, here's a closer look at the shoe itself. The silhouette is classic, but the print and texture make it feel playful and elevated at the same time. It's a statement piece, a heritage sneaker reimagined with playful, fashion-driven personality. When sports meets heritage meets street-style personality. The cow print exaggerated tongue is a design statement. I always like seeing sneakers on foot. It gives you a better sense of proportion and how they move with you. The upper is real calf hair, which adds texture and dimension without being loud. Worn from athletes to editors to everyday style. It's for people who want subtle sneaker culture with personality. For the first look, I styled the Sambas with relaxed cargos, a fitted top, and a leather bustier. The neutral palette keeps everything cohesive while the sneaker adds personality. For the second look, I mixed tailoring with athleisure. Pairing a structured blazer with biker shorts, the sneaker grounds the outfit and keeps it wearable but still intentional. And for the final look, I kept it minimal with a fitted long sleeve knit dress. The clean lines let the sneaker become the statement while still feeling polished and effortless. That was my take on styling the Adidas Sambas 3 different ways. Thanks for watching.